evening, everyone. Here I will be presenting about the inside of the computer, software, and operating system. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Christian Dobaker with the student ID number 17231145. This is my second English presentation assignment. Let's get started. Okay, here is I want to explain two topics. There is inside the computer and hardware and software. Okay, what is the hardware and software? Oh, what is inside the computer? The first is hardware. Hardware is the physical component of computer system, tangible parts that store to execute data. Hardware inside in computer there is things about hardware, and then this is the first is processor or CPU, system processing unit, and memory or random access memory, storage there is HDD or juga tas SD. Okay, what is the software? Software, it's about instruction that the that tell hardware what to do. It's gonna do to instruction to execute and the program with hardware. Okay, software, there is operating system, application, and framework. Okay, the next. This is the anatomy of the computer. And then what is it is called inside the computer. This is anatomy of computer. And this is like in the image, it is main circuit board, or it is called nervous system. This is in the main board. There is all connect all crucial component facilitas communication between hardware. This is a communication between hardware. Okay. And then central processing unit or CPU. It is called the brain of the computer. There's a function of the CPU. The first execute instruction and perform calculation, and then two control overall computer operation, three processing data from various inputs, and then three random access memory RAM or RAM. RAM, there is a function. The first fluid memory for active data and program, and to enable quick access from running application, and then three crucial from multitasking performance. Okay, we we have to talk about the anatomy of computer, and then the next two storage device. Storage device and input or output. The hardware in the computer, inside in the computer, uh, uh, Beside the CPU, there's also storage device and input or output. The first hard disk drive. Hard disk drive, it is traditional storage with spinning letters. And then high capacity with a lower cost. Two, second storage, solid state drive or SSD. Beside the site, there's hard disk and SSD. Then have a similarity in the cycle equivalence. Okay. Solid drive is the faster, durable flash-based storage, and then quicker both times and uploads. And the next, GPU. GPU is a visual powerhouse. GPU a function, the first specialist processor for rendering image and video, and then essential for gaming, video editing, AI or ML. And the next, input device. Input device like keyboard, mouse, and more. And then output device like monitor, printer, and audio. Next, connectivity and power. Connectivity, there is a network interface card, power supply unit, USB, and port and connector. There were network interface card or NIC. There is a function facilitates internet access, enable data exchange over network, essential for both wired and wireless communication. And then power supply unit, SU. Function convert as power to DC for component, to distribution consistent energy to the system. 3, crucial for stable and reliable operation. And the next, port and connector. Connector requires external device. And the function, the second, enable versatile data transfer and power delivery. And the three, super various functionalities through the different type. Next page. We talk about what is the software. Defining software. software instruction for hardware. Software compiles a set of priors, construction, and data. To it dictates a computer hardware how to operate and execute specific task. And the three essentially this software is the brain that directs the body of hardware. And then system software. System software is a function, manage computer hardware, and provide the fundamental platform or software to essentially system software. There is an operating system and device driver. And the next application software. Application software is designed to perform specific task for the user, enhancing productivity, entertainment, or policy function. Application software there is a word processor and web browser. Each example. And, we have go to the operating system, the foundation. What is an OS, operating system? System software that manage computer hardware and software resources, provided essential shape files for computer program to run. Core OS function. Process management, schedule program, memory management, allocate memory, file system, organizes file, device driver, to control hardware, networking, to manage connection, security, to protect resources, input or output, to handle data transfer. There's a variety of operating system like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Okay, next operating system component and management. The initial layer of digital interaction. Kernel core of the OS. Manage system resource communication, hardware and software. Foundation for all operation. User interface or GUI versus GUI. GUI for visual interaction. GUI for text-based control. Mediated user system communication. And the next operating system is file management. File management system, the next. Management system have function that is organizes, stores, and retrieves files. And two, manage the space allocation. And the three, ensures data integrity, process and memory management. One, allocate CPU time to process. Two, manage RAM for application. And the three, optimize system performance. Next, application software. Productivity software. Tool designed to increase efficiency and output for individuals and organization. Office suites, project management tools, customer relationship management, entertainment software, application providing leisure relaxation and engaging experiences, video games, media player, and streaming service, specialist software, tailored solution for niche industries or specific professional task. Graphic design tool, engineering application, medical imaging software. Okay, and the next software development, maintenance. Okay, software development maintenance. Programming language, foundation of innovation, instruction for software written diverse language for specific project needs, Python, Java, or C++, JavaScript, or common choice. Software and development life cycle, structured journey, planning and requirement gathering, design and architecture define, implementation and coding, testing and quality assurance, deployment and go live, management and coding support. Continuous evolution stability, update to new feature and enhancement patches, critical bug fixed and security update, version control, manage change, enable collaboration. And then we have two on hardware and software interaction. This symphony of critical computing. Software direct hardware action. Software issue precise instruction. Hardware execute this command. Binary code uses 0 and 2 is the fundamental language. And then driver translate and mediate. Software interacts with device driver. Driver convert command for specific driver. Ensures broad compatibility across drive. Optimizing the synergy. Efficient driver boost speed and stability. Regular update or frequent performance. Through optimization causes slowdowns and error. This seamless integration of software and hardware define modern computing efficiency. Stage conclusion: the synergy of computer system. Key hardware component: central processing unit or CPU, brain of the computer, memory or random access memory, short-term data storage. Software types and function. Operating system manage hardware and resources. Application user facing task and productivity. Hardware software interdependence. Hardware provide the site platform. Software activate and direct hardware. Okay, sure. Key hardware component, storage, hardware OS, USB, long-time data persistence, input or up device interaction point. Software and software type and function, utility program, system maintenance, firmware, low-level hardware control. Hardware and software interdependence. Hardware provide the cycle platform, software activate and direct hardware. Mutual reliance, neither function effectively non-performing optimization are integrated. The conclusion is a computer system is a harmonious dance between site, component, and digital instruction working in concert to unlock unparalleled capabilities and drive innovation. Thank you very much. This is my presentation. I hope it is useful for all of us.